Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm just going to be upgrading my Republic Crosshair tutorial as the new Bad Batch series is coming up. So without any further ado, let us begin. The legs and the torso come from this Hunter minifigure. The head comes from Imperial Crosshair. The arms come from Mr. Incredible. And finally, the hair comes from Ben Kenobi. For the backpack build, you will need these pieces. I will let the slideshow now show you how to build it. If you've done it correctly, your minifigure should now look like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for when you're putting it together. I've remade this tutorial like 3 times now, and I'm happy to say that I think it's finally good enough. If you have any ideas for any future videos that I could do, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to me on my Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you could give it a like, and if you really enjoyed it, maybe you could subscribe to the channel. If you like the Clone Wars, maybe you'll like this tutorial on how to make 99, and I will put that on the end screen now as well as my playlist.